Now today we will have a discussion on the case study on energy consumption. So where it can be used. For example, in a country like India, so many industries are working for 24 hours. So the basic need is we have to save the energy. So energy consumption is very, very important, and how effectively you are going to use or save the energy. That we have a small comparison between the normal lamp and your LED lamp. Okay. Yeah, we have the comparison, that is incandescent light and the LED. Okay. If you take LED, it uses over 5 times less energy when compared with your incandescent bulb. And also it lasts only for few months, but LED, the lifetime is higher. The cost of this will be maximum, and 6 times the cost will be less for LEDs. Okay. Nowadays the transformation is highly needed because the energy consumption is the basic need to reduce the cost in the industries. So how to achieve this? So to achieve the better energy efficiency, the very basic thing is replace your HSP, that is high power sodium vapor lamp light, and your fluorescent light with your LED lights. So where it can be implemented. So mostly the industries running over 24 hours should focus in operating in an energy efficient manner by using the LED lights. So what the observations that can be made? Observation is 70 watt HPSV light is expected to take around 0.3 to 0.4 amps only. Okay. But it takes 0.7 to 0.8 ampere due to the presence of choke, and if capacitor is present, the observation will be more, that is the current amperes will be more. Also we could observe that LED use only for LEDs, it is equivalent of using 70 watt HPSV to 40 watt HPSV, and it takes only 0.18 to 0.22 amps. So depends upon the intensity of the color, we can use different kinds of LED. And these observations made using the clamp meter, then energy meter and lux meter. And similarly we are going for the 150 watt, 250, then 400 watt HPSV lights were observed. So what the highlights of using the LED and where it can be used, what various locations and the replacement necessary of using this LED. The industries mostly in admin office, in lubrication rooms, then central control rooms, that is CCR, then load center or substations. Wherever the fluorescent tube light are used, that can be replaced with your LED tube light. Okay. And the very basic highlight is the 36 watt power can be easily replaced with your 18 watt LEDs. And apart from that we can go for cable cellular and also transformer rooms. And apart from that the enclosed rooms like compressor rooms, then electrical workshops or mechanical workshops, these kind of areas also we can cover for the LEDs. Then after that we can use in silos. Silos is nothing but where the material will be, raw material will be stored. In that kind of areas we can go for using the LED. Okay, because that's the area that mostly the fluorescent light will be worked for 24 hours. What are the benefits of using the LEDs? Okay, that is So what the benefits that of using your LED light and compared with the other lights? Here the 70 watt HSPV will be replaced by 35 watt. On 150 watt HPSV will be replaced with 70 watt. So when comparing these two, half of the watt will be reduced. So 1 watt is equal to 0.5 watt. This is the first benefit of using your LED lights. And this will lead to the reduction of kilovolt ampere requirements of lighting transformers. And second benefit is no use of choke, capacitor, then igniter, because if you are using the choke, capacitor, all the kinds, then you have to change every 2 years, will lead to a reduction in the maintenance cost. So LED lights that usually guarantee for 2 to 3 years and depend upon their manufacturing style. And another advantage is, moreover, there are lesser harmonics in the power system, and usually the choke, igniter and capacitor will not be used. And if you use HPSV light, it will get heat within 10 to 2 minutes, and you will not be able to touch that heat. That is the major drawback. And if you take LED, it's a cool light and also eco-friendly system is maintained. Then apart from that, the running cost is reduced. Running cost is reduced, that directly results in the reduction of kilowatt hour per ton of your product. Then LED lights works at the voltage range of 90 to 300 volts, due to which there is less fluctuation of voltage and minimal failure chances. Thank you.